Today in assembly, 15 bikes, replenish bike rack. All brakes are good. All gears are good. All handlebars secure properly. I can honestly say these bikes are very safe to purchase and to put back on the bike rack. No liabilities. First, highest priorities are brakes. You have to be able to stop. If you cannot stop, you can kill yourself or harm yourself. And I do not want those liabilities on myself. I'm responsible for these bikes that are built right here. I feel very secure in putting these bikes out as if I was going to buy these bikes for my own children, my own family. And so I built these bikes with the intentions of one of my family members were to purchase a bike, they will have a safe bike. These are entry bikes so that you can buy more expensive quality bikes to enjoy exercise, enjoy the outdoors. And so come get your bikes. They are ready for you to purchase. Expert built in assembly. Beautiful brakes. A bike family. Come get your bikes.